4-level homes. Do you love them or hate them?
Tri-levels and 4-levels were popularized in Fort Collins around the mid-70s. It seems like people either love them or hate them. My first home was a tiny little tri-level, and sometimes it did feel a little bit cramped.
Yeah, however, each bedroom is on a different level. There's 3 different living spaces. Nobody's gonna be feeling cramped here. The spacious primary suite has a walk-through closet that leads to a fully remodeled bathroom.
Another feature that we love is the beautifully refinished hardwood oak flooring throughout most of the house.
There's also a fully fenced backyard, plenty of room for your furry friends to run around. If that's not enough room for you, head down the block, there's a city park, and you can also use your community pool on those super hot days.
We'd like to know what you think. Please drop a comment and reach out to us if you have any questions.